Hey Randy, it's Mark. I wasn't sure if you got off the ground or not. I had a hell of a time. The wind was switching every which way, and I almost ran into this cinema. I'm gonna take off. So I'm not sure if you're in the air or not. If you are, then I don't expect a call back. If you are not in the air, give me a call back, and I can pick up the phone. I'm Bluetooth to my helmet, so let me know if you're in the air. See ya. That doesn't look good.
I just want to bang on the drum all day. I don't want to work. I want to bang on the drum all day. You want to dig a bang in it? I don't want to play. I just want to bang on the drum all day. I don't want to work. I want to bang on the drum all day. I don't want to play. I just want to bang on the drum all day.
Alright, so I am either going to get down on the ground fast, or I'm further away than I think. I think I'm going to go and get on the ground fast. I did see that lightning. So I could either go all the way there, or land and see shelter. Alright, lightning in the distance is not good. I'm just gonna haul ass back. There's some bad weather coming. Yeah. That's why I got on the ground as fast as I did. Not bumpy yet, but I saw lightning. Ah, there's my buddy. He came over to fly with me, and unfortunately, he doesn't have any way for me to communicate, so I can't tell him why I came down. I could go back up. shoot, if I'd have seen him in the air, I wouldn't have landed. I would have stayed up with him a little bit more. But now, setting up to land, to take off again, with that storm looming, I don't know. Yeah. He's got to get back anyway. He's got a 45-minute flight to get back. He's got to get back before dark. Let me see if I can yell at him. He's got his ear cups on and everything. I'll be right back. I'm just going to grab my motor and I'm going to take off again. All right? You guys can stand over here. I'll see ya. How's it going? It's definitely a fun hobby.
That's really cool. I told them, I was like, that's probably the closest you'll ever get to actually like flying.
Yeah. You run into the air. There's.
Ooh, I asked somebody else, how much gas that takes?
His holds more than mine. Mine holds 3 gallons. And you can go about an hour per gallon. So I can go up for 3 hours, and you only go about 25 miles an hour with no wind. You know, if you're going with the wind. Yeah. Yeah. He came all the way from Roanoke. That's why he's not landing here, because just in case he can't take off again. He should be getting out of here. He's got to get back to Roanoke by 9 o'clock to be on the ground. That's kind of why I landed, to give him a hint. Looks like he might be landing. Did he kill his motor? Okay. Powered paraglider. Yeah. And there's a whole bunch of us on the internet. Yeah, he must be. I don't know why he didn't stop over here. He's showing off now. But I found a guy that's, oh, sorry, I'm recording this whole conversation.